Hi guys, I'm back. I have a couple of things I need your help to figure out. But first I would like to thank every one of you who watched the previous video. I'm completely overwhelmed over how many of you who have responded to the video. I really didn't think that many people would like to see anything about this old truck. But thank you. And I actually created a Facebook profile for this project because I would like to share some more of this old car, but I don't want to use my personal Facebook profile. So I'm gonna leave a link in the video description, and I hope you're gonna follow that profile so I can keep you up to date on what's going on. Okay, but actually I have 3 things I would like you to point me in the right direction. 2 small things, and then 1 thing that's a little bit more of concern to me. The first small thing is the windshield wiper. I don't know if it's broken or if there's missing a fuse or a broken fuse, or I just don't know how to get it started. This one I figure out is for the cabin light. I actually didn't think that was working, but... And this one, my guess would be that would be for the windshield wiper. But I don't wanna disassemble a whole lot if it's not the case. So if any one of you knows if that's for the windshield wiper, please let me know. And maybe you know if there's a fuse somewhere I have to check. And another simple thing, the horn is not working. Again, if anyone knows if there's a fuse, or maybe that's not even for the horn because I can't see any wires up here. Yeah, but I know there's a horn right out here with some bad wires on it. So again, if anyone knows where I should start, then please let me know in the comments. And then the last thing, and a bit more serious, is that the car keeps dying for me. We're gonna try to start it. I'm gonna give it some choke and a little bit of gas. Okay, one more time. And then it just dies. I can start it again. In a minute or 2 it will just fire right back up, and then it will run for 10 or 15 seconds and it's gonna die. I have replaced all the fuel, so it's fresh fuel. But one thing I think I'm gonna... Hang on, I need some light. Oh, here it is. I don't know if you can see it, but there. Isn't there supposed to, if I pump the gas, shouldn't it be floating with fuel? But nothing happens. Shouldn't there be some kind of acceleration pump or something? I was actually thinking about replacing or dismantling the carburetor. But if there's no need for that, I don't want to ruin any gaskets, because it's so hard to get gaskets for this US carburetor here in Denmark. It has been sitting for 18 months or something before I got it here to Denmark, with old gasoline in it. So maybe the carburetor is clogged up with crystallized gasoline, and maybe it's bad gaskets, or the acceleration pump is clogged up. I don't know, but I would like to hear from some of you smart people before I start taking everything apart and end up ruining something. So please let me know in the comments where and what to do and what I should look for. The spark plugs, I cleaned all the spark plugs, but they are completely full of soot again. Probably because I have to run it on the choke to keep it running. So if that's any help. And then I want to thank you for not making fun of my English. Not a single one of you have done that. And I'm actually amazed about that. I was so sure someone would do that. Maybe someone's gonna do that now, but that's okay. It has been so much fun, and I hope to learn a lot more about this old US car. And I'm looking forward to see your replies here in the video. And I really hope you can help me, especially with the carburetor or the ignition or what it could be. So thank you, and please hit the like button. And please remember, if you want to be kept updated about the car, then follow the link into my new Facebook profile. Thank you. Gonna see you next time.